I'm Nitya S. of Computer Science and Engineering Department of Savita Engineering College. I am currently pursuing my second year of graduation. I completed my schooling at Anna Adarsh Matriculation and Higher Secondary School at Anna Nagar, and I have also done a lot of courses online as well as offline. I'm basically from Computer Science Department, and I like to work in the field of computer science like coding and etc. So this is the overview of my resume. Speaking the truth, I really don't have any expectation on salary because I'm fresher here, and I really don't have any expectation that my salary must be in this and this range. It would be helpful for me if the company gives the considerable amount for my work and my post in this company, and I'm completely here for exploring myself and learning more things. So that is a complete need of me, and yes. I really had a very good experience in my college because it is the institution which gives me immense of knowledge, and along with the practical knowledge, it really developed me from the base, like it actually explored my talents, and I have been improved a lot in my professionalism, my accent in speaking, my confidence and etc. And I really feel proud studying in this college because there are many faculties are working hard to improve us, and yes, I really had a very great experience in this college. To say about my achievements, I have completed 15 to 17 courses online and offline. I proudly say that I have led many teams, and I was successful in it. So maybe I'm a good leader also. I like my confidence because it is everything for me, and I've also done many symposiums and projects, and I'm successful too in it, and yes, that is my achievement. To say the truth, that every human being has his or her own negatives. I too have my negative, like I really know I'm somewhat slow in doing my work because I really want to do my work perfect, so that I see perfection. If I run so fast, I will find many mistakes in that work, so I really go in a very slow way, and I think I think I'm very successful in changing my negatives as my positives. So I'm really trying to change it, and I'm now not that slow, and I really will change it completely, and where I will be doing my work so fast and perfect also. So that is my biggest negative, and yeah.